Let's go ahead with studying wonderful nebula of Charles Messier, Omega Nebula, nicknamed also as Swan, and the Host Show Nebula or the Lobster Nebula, is a region of star formation and shines by excited emission caused by high energy radiation of young stars. It was found by Philippe Louis de Chazeau in 1745. Finally, another nebula, which has never been observed. It is of a completely different shape than the others. It has perfectly the form of a ray or a tail of a comet, of 7 minutes length and 2 minutes broad. Its sides are exactly parallel and rather well terminated, as are its two ends. Its middle is whiter than the borders. And surely Charles Messier could not ignore this object. A train of light without stars, of 5 or 6 minutes in extent, in the shape of spindle, and a little like that in an Andromeda's belt, but of a very faint light. There are two telescopic stars nearby and placed parallel to the equator. In a good sky, one observed this nebula very well with an ordinary telescope. Omega extends over 40 light-years and located at a distance approximately between 5 and 6,000 light-years from us. Together with M17, it belongs to the United Nebula complex of the Sagittarius-Carina spiral arm of our galaxy. Its total mass is about as 800 sun masses. There is an open star cluster inside this nebula, something about 3 dozens of young hot stars, which excite molecular hydrogen and force it to shine. The brightest region is actually of white color, not overexposed as one might think. This phenomenon is apparently a result of mixture of emission light from the hottest gas together with the reflection of bright starlight from the dust in this region. In the middle of 19th century, before the photography was invented, John Herschel in 30s and Trovella in 70s tried to draw Omega Nebula by hand.
The figure of this nebula is nearly that of a Greek capital Omega, O, somewhat distorted and very unequally bright. Messier perceived only the bright eastern branch of the nebula now in question, without any of the attached convolutions which were first noticed by my father.
And look at this picture taken by the new VLT survey telescope by European Southern Observatory. And this is how it looks on different wavelengths from various surveys.
D'être poursuivi.